In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace and adjust your G35 350Z handbrake shoe. So as you guys can see, I've taken the caliper off, I've taken the brake disc off to show you guys in up close what the brake shoe and the whole handbrake assembly looks like. So basically, this is what it looks like. And here is the adjuster. And basically you can use a flathead screwdriver to flick it up and down to adjust how much the drum sort of contract and expand. And as more of these wear down, you want it to expand more. So you know you still have a good grip when your handbrake is pulled up. So basically, if you want to adjust it and you don't want to replace the shoe, you don't have to take the brake disc off. You don't have to take the brake caliper off. All you need to do is, if you come to the brake disc right here, and there's a little rubber grommet, and you just want to pull that off just like that and rotate it to where you can see this. And then you put a little flathead screwdriver in like that and flick it up and down to adjust whether you want to expand more or contract more. So basically, flicking upwards is having your handbrake drum sort of contract more, which means when you pull the handbrake, it's not going to lock up as hard. Whereas if you do the opposite, it'll expand more, which means that as your brake pads or brake shoes wear down, you want it to expand more. So when you pull, it'll expand as much and it'll gain a good grip on the inside of the brake disc. So that's it. This is that simple. This is how you adjust your handbrake shoe. And yeah, this is how easy it is. And now if you want to replace these two brake shoes, super easy as well. Very limited tools needed. All you want to do is you want to come to here, and you see where there's the spring holding the two brake shoe together, same as up here. You want to do is you want to sort of pull and then release this or this side of the spring. So you want to take the spring out, which I'll show you in a second. And just like that, I've got the spring off. And sometimes it can be tricky to get the spring off. So sometimes you can actually, now which brings out to the second part, for the locking mechanism, for the shoe to stay on the dust shield, you push in and you twist and it'll release just like this. And sometimes, like, what I found easier is actually undoing these two and then try to push the end of the spring back out of that hole, which is, you know, sometimes easier because it's kind of hard to get a good grip on this. And same on this side as well. So just like that. Now that has released as well. And then now the brake shoe is basically free to go, but there is one last spring which is on top, but you can literally just like pull out just like this, super easy. And you undo this top spring, you pull it out, and then basically the whole brake shoe comes off. And basically like this, and that part comes off like that. And basically this is how you like redo your whole handbrake assembly, which is nice and easy. And if you like this video, if you found it helpful, leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.